Alright, so we're underneath the vehicle, and what I was saying earlier, there's this this is a valve. It's a basically like a drain valve. Under a certain amount of pressure, it'll release and allow the oil to drop back into the oil pan. But here's your harmonic balancer, and once you get this off, you got this housing right here. This housing, and this is all one housing. The gear is driven off the crankshaft. Now, as the engine turns over, it lifts the oil up from here. Now, that could lose its prime, and by this being bad or stuck open, allowing the oil to drop out, it will allow it to lose its prime.
This will break the nuts off the back tires?
No, I used a big one.
I only got this socket.
That's the size? With the other one didn't work or doesn't fit?
Unless you got an adapter that would go on the big drill.
You could try it. Look, check in the toolbox.
I can't find one though. I don't think I have to.
Try it. Yeah, it should work then. I mean, it might work. Try it. Yeah, you try it. So yeah, the gear could go bad. The housing's aluminum, and the gear is stainless steel. So whenever that thing's gets debris inside, it'll tear the housing up and allow oil not to build up.